Hello, my name's Nigel Williamson, and today I want to show you a simple business to start online. Now, I've been online for a few years, I've learned a few things, and one of the main reasons why people search online to start a business is often because they don't have any money. So today I'm going to show you a business that you can start for free, and after that you can upgrade it and start making good income. I've been using this system for a good 3 years now, and it's generating a good income. And what more can I say than show you? So here, I'm going to give you a link down below, and it brings you to this page. This page is well, I'm going to give you this free system, and when you sign up here, you get videos that will show you how the product works and how to basically build your business. And you start at a free level, but you can upgrade from a very early step in the business. And the best, as I recommend, is to go up for a $7 one-time payment. There is no monthly payments in this business, and yeah, I can show you a bit. So when you get into your office, your back office, it looks something like this. Now you can upgrade straight away to a bigger system, but we don't want to do that at the moment. We want to get our basic system set up and started. Now when you go to this get started, you've got simple steps here. You can join the Facebook group for lead lightning, and you can choose which link. Now this link here is if you want to promote other businesses, maybe ClickBank products, or something else that you decide that you want to have. So you have your lead lightning with people that are if they upgrade to $7, you get $6 of that. So you've got one system paying you $6 and a referral link to whatever business that you decide. Now you get a lot of things free for that $7, and as I said earlier, it's only a one-time payment, so it's sort of lifetime. Now you've got trainings here in the training area. Go in and have a look. Now there's everything here from scheduled videos. We have hangouts, so you have a Thursday training, which is very good if you can get to. It's free, doesn't cost anything, it gives you training and information about how to promote your business in different ways. We have under here, we have different replays, and here you have interviews with different people, how they've started out their business basically, and you know their way of travelling into the online business. And then we have here YouTube, a whole lot of education about how to build up your YouTube channel, and then you have system videos. There's a lot in here. You find something new every day. And for that $7, you get a really good system. We have here also the daily training or daily tips. You know, how to start, how to attach your lead capture pages to your domain. Every sort of bit of information you can need, especially if you're new online. Now with this system you get 2 opt-in pages. Now these opt-in pages are tested, and they just work absolutely perfectly. There's many people here, as into the interview page, who built up their business through these. They all started at the basic. So you get this page, and then you have another one which is, I think, looks a bit nicer, and you start building up a system, building up your email list. Now on top of this, I want to offer you, which will also put a link down below, so it goes to this Lesedadspace. Now this is quite a good way of advertising your business. And it's the same here. It's free to start. You don't have to do anything. You get your business set up, and then this is what you get. You get possibility to have text ads, banner ads, email, solo ads. You have a public profile. You have ad boards. And you have a personal blog, which you can, blog your way to success. As a start member, you see here, it's no payments. There are no monthly payments, and you get your system set up, and then you go to the first start packet. Now with this start packet, you see you get 8,000 impressions that people see your banner ads, 4,000 impressions for text ads. You get a solo ad once a month, and you've got your ad board on free post every day. Now this is a very cheap packet. These people get the link to your web page, whichever one you choose, this one or this one. So it's really good advertising, and as you see, you upgrade, you get more ads, more eyeballs to your system, and it carries on and it carries on all the way up. And all you have to do is really upgrades as the money comes in. They also have an affiliate system here, so that people that join you in your business also you get a payment from Lesedadspace for your members, but we won't go into that. The affiliate part is automatically, and you don't really have to bother about it at this moment. So you can see, I can show you a bit of my things. As I said, I've been online for a few years, so my back office doesn't look exactly like yours. I'll have one of those as well. I have to wait a month or two before I can get one. That's the way you should think about your business. It's all coming to you soon. Here we have, so you can get your submit posts, ad board posts. You can do that depending on your packet, but at least once every day. You have the small ads you can do. You have the banner ads, which you can have a whole load of banner ads, and the email solo ads. And so you can see the database and your open rates. Now this is a good basic thing, because you have traffic coming to your web page all the time. That's what we need. And then on top of that, when we get a bit warm in our boots and our system is starting to generate a couple of members and $7 payments and so on, we can get a free account here at Udimi. Now Udimi has also an affiliate part, which you get paid for when people buy traffic. Here you get solo traffic. Now solo traffic is really good for your business. You buy traffic that is sent automatically to your web page, and therefore you get more $7 customers. Now you can go into, let's see if we've got any nice ones. You can find, you see they go about from 40 cents and upwards depending on the traffic and the quality. Now this person, he's had 604, 300. Let's see if I can find some good ones. Here we've got someone here. He's got 3,500 orders, 1940, thumbs up. No negative. That's quite good. Only 800 orders. If you find a seller, this one I've used, his traffic is really good. Only 40 cents, which is quite reasonable. You go in here, you can see if you want 1,000 visitors, you can make a little solo ad, or you can he makes your solo ad for you. But if you have a solo ad that you want him to send out to his list, you write it yourself there, and I can help you with that if you need to. And you can go here, you can see the price of the traffic. If you want to say 50 visitors, $23. You can have the top tier ones only, and it's $28. This is a simple thing. They test out all these sellers, so you don't have any bot traffic or any rubbish coming through, so you know that your clicks are real. And these three things together give you a basic system. Now, this is free to start, or it's free to have an account, and so is Lesedadspace. It's free to start, and my business with the lead lightning is free to start. So you can get to a basic level, and that's about it really, more or less. Now joining me, I'm going to be there to support you, give you tips on different things, and I have a group here which you are invited to. And for these three businesses that I offer you here, I'm going to put a link down below in my description of the video. Whoops, down there. And I'll see you on the other side. So thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.